Sometimes some libraries will not work with the latest Python version. This is why you will have to install another, more specific, older version. To do this, you can use UV. To install UV, you can follow the steps described in the video that you can access from the end screen. After installing UV, you open the command prompt and run the following command. Let's say you want to install the version 3.11. All you have to do is to write UV Python install 3.11. You can also be more specific in the installation. For example, instead of installing the latest patch, you can specify a specific or detailed version. For example, UV Python install, and you write 3.11.8, for example. Now to know all the available Python distribution, just run the command UV Python list. It will show you all the available Python versions. The one in blue or in here, the one in blue are the one already installed in the system. So this version was installed without UV, and the new one, the 3.11, was installed right now. Now it installed also the 3.11.8. If you want to know all the Python versions, not only the patch version that are available for download or install, you write or you run the command UV Python list and you add / all versions, and it will list you all the available versions that you can download or that you already installed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.